Hi friends, welcome back to Tasty Curry Heaven. Today we will be making gourd or kantola. Here are the ingredients. I am using 700 grams of frozen kantola. You can also use fresh kantola and cut it vertically like this. First we will start by heating a pan on a medium-high flame and add oil to it. Then add 2 teaspoons of cumin seeds. When the cumin seeds start to crackle, add 1 large chopped onion, 1 teaspoon of salt so that the onions caramelize quickly. Give it a good mix and then add 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic chili paste. Give it a good mix as well. Onions and garlic are now fried really well. Add 1 tablespoon of red chili powder, 1 tablespoon of coriander powder and 1 tablespoon of cumin powder. 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder and mix all the masalas together. Add 1 tablespoon of Amchur powder or raw mango powder. And then add the kantola to the masalas and mix everything really well. Cover the lid and cook for 25 minutes on a low flame. Stir the kantola every 5 minutes so it releases water and cooks in its own moisture. Add some water and salt if necessary. Give it a good stir and continue cooking. Check if the kantola is soft and ready. I will need to cook for another 5 minutes. Now add a little more amchur and chili powder and then add 1 tablespoon of garam masala. Our kantola is now nicely cooked. Now add coriander leaves and mix it really well. Then turn off the gas, cover the lid and let it cool for 2 minutes. If you liked this recipe, don't forget to give it a huge thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more delicious recipes every week. I love enjoying my kantola with some hot puris. Thank you for watching. Until next time, get spiced and thrive.